Hello everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome back to Mr. Sir Learning. Today we are going to improve our English while discovering the inspiring life of Bhagat Singh. This is not just the story of a freedom fighter, it is the story of a young man who loved his country so deeply that he was ready to give his life for it. So, let's begin. Imagine this. The year is 1931. A prison in Lahore. It is late in the evening. Three young men are walking calmly toward the gallows. There is no fear on their faces. Instead, they are smiling. Their voices become louder. Inquilab Zindabad. The slogan echoes through the prison walls. One of those brave young men is only 23 years old. His name, Bhagat Singh. But how did an ordinary boy become one of the greatest heroes of India's freedom struggle? Let's go back to the beginning. Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga village in the Lyallpur district of Punjab, which is now in Pakistan. His father Kishan Singh and his mother Vidyavati Kaur came from a patriotic family. Even before Bhagat Singh was born, several members of his family had taken part in the freedom movement. Love for the country was already a part of his childhood. As a little boy, Bhagat Singh was different. He loved reading books. He enjoyed learning about history. He listened carefully whenever people spoke about India's struggle for freedom. Then came a moment that changed his life forever. In 1919, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre shocked the entire nation. Thousands of peaceful people had gathered in Amritsar. Without warning, British troops opened fire. Hundreds of innocent people were killed or wounded. Bhagat Singh was still a young boy. Soon after the tragedy, he visited Jallianwala Bagh. According to many historical accounts, he collected a handful of soil from the ground where people had lost their lives. For him, it became a symbol of sacrifice. From that day, his dream became clear. He wanted to help free India. As he grew older, Bhagat Singh studied at D.A.V school and later joined National College in Lahore. There, he met many young people who also dreamed of an independent India. But Bhagat Singh believed that freedom needed more than words. It needed courage. It needed action. He joined revolutionary groups and later became an active member of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, also known as HSRA. He also helped build the Naujawan Bharat Sabha, a youth organization that encouraged patriotism and unity. Then came another turning point. In 1928, the British government sent the Simon Commission to India. Many Indians protested because the commission had no Indian members. During one protest in Lahore, respected leader Lala Lajpat Rai was badly injured during a police lathi charge. He died a few weeks later. Bhagat Singh believed this injustice could not be ignored. Along with his fellow revolutionaries, he planned to target the police officer they believed responsible. However, during the operation, John Saunders, a police officer, was shot instead. After this incident, Bhagat Singh went into hiding, but his fight was far from over. In 1929, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt entered the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. They threw low-intensity bombs into the assembly hall. Their purpose was not to kill people. The bombs were intended as a protest against British laws. After throwing the bombs, they shouted revolutionary slogans and scattered leaflets. Instead of escaping, they stayed there and surrendered peacefully. They wanted the whole world to hear their message. During his time in prison, Bhagat Singh continued fighting in another way. He and other prisoners began a long hunger strike. They demanded equal treatment for Indian political prisoners. The hunger strike attracted attention across India. People who had never met Bhagat Singh now knew his name. Even inside prison, he spent hours reading books. He studied history, politics, economics, and philosophy. He believed that knowledge was as powerful as courage. Finally, the British government sentenced Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev to death. On March 23, 1931, the three young revolutionaries were executed in Lahore Central Jail. Bhagat Singh was only 23 years old. His life was short, but his courage made him immortal. Today, he is remembered as one of India's greatest freedom fighters. His ideas, bravery, and love for the nation continue to inspire millions of young people. Before we end this story, remember one important lesson. Age does not decide greatness, purpose does. Bhagat Singh showed that one determined young person can inspire an entire nation. His life teaches us to love our country, respect knowledge, stand for justice, and never be afraid to speak for what is right. History remembers many people, but only a few become legends. Bhagat Singh is one of them. Thank you for learning English with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments whose inspiring story you would like to learn next. This is Alex from Mr. Sir Learning. See you in the next video.